Fitbit may currently have more powerful devices in its portfolio, but the Charge series has a passionate fan base that can't be ignored. The newest entry, the Fitbit Charge 5, brings sophisticated health monitoring capabilities like stress tracking, sleep tracking, and mindfulness sessions to a wearable that will suit everyone's wrists. To simplify, we separated the review into different sections. Without further ado, let's get started. The most striking feature of the Charge 5 is its display, even though these are significant upgrades. Instead of the Charge 4's monochromatic memory in pixel screen, the new Charge 5 has a full-color AMOLED display, similar to the Fitbit Luxe. It has a clean and bright appearance, and the scrolling and animations work well. It comes in black with graphite stainless steel, lunar white with soft gold, and steel blue with platinum. You may purchase additional bands, including a perforated strap, to improve breathability when exercising. There are many more features of the Fitbit Charge 5, and we've outlined some of its highlights here. You may also check today's price and complete specifications through the link in the description. Overall, this model was very easy to use, somewhat accurate for counting steps, and good at measuring heart rate accuracy. Recent versions of iPhones and Android were found to be very easy to pair and very easy to interact with. Also, it is very easy to attach the device to the body, as well as charge the battery. In addition, the build quality is excellent. In a nutshell, considering ease of use, accuracy, versatility, design and build quality, the performance score is 75 out of 100. After evaluating thousands of user comments, we noticed people enjoy Charge 5's built-in GPS, clean and simple interface, long battery life, and contactless payments. On the other hand, most of the users' criticisms include no music controls, non-customizable clock faces, small screen size, requires Fitbit Premium membership for the best experience. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with another product soon, so stay tuned.